Something is happening on YouTube right now that defies all the old rules. I'm looking at a channel with only 18 videos, and it just pulled in 4 million views in just 3 weeks. And it's not a fluke. Right here, another channel. Just 10 videos, barely over 2,000 subscribers, but it's already racked up 1.3 million views. What is this exploding niche? It's simple. AI-powered factory videos. These channels are using 100% AI to create these fascinating clips, and they are going viral overnight. But here's the craziest part. I was tracking this one small channel live. It had 950 subscribers and 17 videos. I hit refresh. Boom! 1,000 subscribers. I hit refresh again. 1.1K. This niche is trending so hard, channels are gaining subscribers by the minute. And the best part? Making these videos is far easier than you think. In this video, I'm not just going to show you the hype, I'm going to give you the exact prompts and the exact editing process I use. So if you're ready to start your own viral channel, watch this video until the very end. Let's get started. Now that we understand how powerful this niche is, the next step is creating the actual videos. And for that, you'll need the exact prompt. I've already prepared the full prompt for you, and I'll be sharing it inside my WhatsApp channel. You'll find the link in the description. Just tap it, join the channel, and open the Google Docs file I've added there. Inside that document, you'll see all the prompts you need. We'll use these prompts to generate the entire video. So first, copy the long-form prompt from the document and paste it directly into ChatGPT. Then hit Generate. ChatGPT will ask you for a topic idea. To get that, simply visit your competitors' channels, the ones already posting viral factory videos. Look for the topics that are blowing up right now. Let's say you find a trending topic. Just copy it, paste it into ChatGPT, and press Generate again. ChatGPT will then produce a brand new prompt for you based on that topic. Once ChatGPT gives you a list of prompts based on your topic, we'll use those exact prompts to generate the entire AI video. Just search your topic, paste it into ChatGPT, and it will create a full set of structured prompts for you. Using those prompts, you can now generate your scenes one by one. Everything has already been covered, A to Z, inside these prompts, so you don't have to guess or figure anything out on your own. If you want a longer video, you can simply tell ChatGPT, "Give me a long prompt. I want an 8 to 9 minute video." ChatGPT will immediately expand the content for you. Once ChatGPT gives you the final script, you must copy the prompt exactly as it is. Don't change anything. Using the exact prompt is what keeps the results consistent. Now, to turn this script into an actual AI-generated video, we're going to use VEO3, the tool that creates high-quality videos with consistent characters. Just open Google and search Flow. Click on the very first website that appears. Once you're on the site, you'll see a clean and simple interface. Click on Create with Flow, then sign up if you haven't already. After signing in, click on New Project. This will take you straight to the main dashboard where all the video creation tools are available. Now that you're inside the VEO3 workspace, paste your prompt into the prompt box. To do that, go back to ChatGPT, copy the first prompt, and return to Flow. Paste the prompt directly into the box. Then click on the settings icon. Inside the settings, set the aspect ratio to 16:9, select the model VEO3, choose one video, and finally, click the Generate button. The tool will take around 1 to 2 minutes to create your video. Once it's done, you'll be able to play it immediately. If the video comes out with the quality you want, perfect. You're ready to move to the next step. But if you want a cleaner or more polished version, simply hit Regenerate, and VEO3 will create a fresh variation for you. This way, you can fine-tune your visuals until the result looks smooth, professional, and visually appealing. Once your first clip is ready, it's time to create the next one. To do that, go back to ChatGPT and copy the next prompt from the list. Now, open flow.lab.google.com again. Inside your project, you'll see an option called Add to Scene. Click on it. This will open the editing interface. Here, click on the plus icon, then click the Expand button. This takes you to the area where each new clip will be generated. Paste your new ChatGPT prompt into the box. Apply the same settings as before and hit Generate. Your next clip will be created in a few moments. Repeat the same process for each prompt. Click the plus icon. Tap Expand, go to ChatGPT and copy the next prompt, paste it into Flow, use the same settings, press. Generate within a short time, all your clips will be ready. Using this simple method, you can generate your entire video quickly and effortlessly through flow.lab.google.com. Once all your clips are generated, simply click the download button. It may take a few seconds to process, but after that, your full video will download directly to your device. If your flow.lab.google.com credits run out, don't worry. There's a simple solution. Just create a new Gmail account and log in with that. Once you're in with the new account, you can continue generating the remaining clips. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the next prompts, paste them into Flow, and generate your videos exactly the same way as before. When each clip is ready, just hit the download button and save it to your device. This way, you can finish your entire video without any interruptions. Now that all your clips are ready, the next step is to edit everything together. Open CapCut, and once it loads, click on the Import button. Here, you'll select all the clips you downloaded from flow.lab.google.com and bring them into your timeline. Arrange the clips in the correct order and make any adjustments you need. Inside CapCut, you can add captions, add background music, add sound effects, add transitions. Make the overall video smoother and more engaging. Once your editing is complete, click the Export button. CapCut will start processing, and your final video will be ready shortly. Your full video is now complete. If you want to make more videos, just repeat the same steps and continue growing your channel. The next step is creating a thumbnail the right way. Start by visiting your competitor's channel and checking out the type of videos they post on your topic. Take a screenshot of their thumbnail for reference, and upload a screenshot to start by asking ChatGPT to describe the exact type of thumbnail you want. Use a clear prompt so ChatGPT understands the style, colors, text, and design you're aiming for. Once ChatGPT generates the thumbnail prompt, copy it. Next, go to Whisk AI Sign In and paste the prompt into the input box. Set the aspect ratio to 16:9, then click on the Generate button. Whisk AI will create your thumbnail based on the prompt you provided. Now you have a professional, eye-catching thumbnail ready to use for your video. Check out the result. Your fully AI-generated video is ready to go. See you in the next amazing video with more tips and tricks.
Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how snake leather jackets are made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this. Our process begins with the careful inspection of each snake skin.